I've been here in a while. I literally just made this small ram's horn a couple hours ago. I haven't sanded it or anything yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do I think I'm just gonna lightly sand it and leave it mostly natural, because I do think that's the best when a ram's horn looks like completely natural. That's my opinion. But mouthpiece ain't too bad on that. I don't know how big it is, probably 16, 17 maybe. No less than 15. See what it sounds like in here. In Jesus Christ's mighty name. I haven't heard a ram's horn sound like that yet. It's a special one here. Because I made it, no. Nah, it's just, God is just awesome. God is awesome. God is awesome. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. That's all Jesus Christ. Like I don't like think about what I'm gonna do. Now, I mean, sometimes I do, but this was what he had that came forth. Oh Lord, thank you. He's here. He's definitely here. Thank you, Jesus.